Do you want to know how to withdraw from PrizePicks to your PayPal account? Here's the step-by-step process on how to do it. So first, ensure that you've previously deposited with PayPal. PrizePicks typically only allows withdrawals to methods that have been used for deposits on your account for security reasons. Also, PrizePicks has one times playthrough requirement. This means you need to play through the full amount of any deposits you've made before, before you can withdraw those funds and any winnings. Open the PrizePicks apps or website and navigate to the withdrawal section and request for the withdrawal and enter the withdrawal amount and select PayPal as your withdrawal method. Confirm your PayPal details and ensure that the PayPal account is linked on your PrizePicks account. Submit your withdrawal and follow the on-screen instructions.